Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Evelyn and Evelyn's Home Cooking. Today, we'll learn how to fry a perfect pork chop and in just a few ingredients. So now, I will show you all the ingredients and all the process. And I'm so excited. So let's get started. Okay, this is our pork chop. 1 kilo, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and granulated garlic, 1 teaspoon, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. So now, the pork chop is, we need to take off all the skin. All the skin we need to take off. We don't need the skin. Mix all the ingredients. The soy sauce, the vinegar, paprika, garlic, black pepper, salt, and brown sugar. So we will mix it to combine it together. Okay, and then the pork chop, we will marinate. We will marinate it. So, like this. And then we will cover it and put in the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. We will put in the refrigerator. So, okay, and then now we'll take, it's 15 minutes already. So it's ready to fry. Okay, wow. In a pan, we will put 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Okay. And 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then now next we will fry our pork chop. Okay. And then cook it until it's brown. Okay, let's check. Okay, we will check the other side if it is brown. Okay, it's brown. Okay, it's brown now, so it's ready to transfer the plate. Okay, let's transfer it into the plate. Okay, we will check the other side if it's okay, good. Now, it's ready to serve. You can serve it with the rice or vegetables together. So, it's very, very delicious. Yummy. And now, this is for our dinner. So, I'm so excited. So now, I will test for one. So, I will test this one. So, I will try. So, oh, it's tender and juicy. So tasty, delicious, tender, and juicy. Everyone, if you like my video, give me a big thumbs up down, leave the comment, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell for the notification. And see you for my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!